In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect RoboMarkets in Tradingview. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and that you're on a device with a stable internet connection. Once you're ready, head over to the main chart page in Tradingview. You can do this by opening any symbol you like. The specific symbol doesn't matter for this setup. What matters is that you're looking at the full chart interface, not just the home page or an idea page. On the chart screen, look toward the bottom of the page for the trading panel. If you don't see it right away, it may be collapsed. In that case, look for a tab or small bar labeled Trading Panel and click it. This panel is where Tradingview lets you connect different brokers so you can place trades directly from the chart. When the trading panel opens, you'll see a list of brokers that Tradingview shows by default. To find RoboMarkets, you'll need to expand this list. Look for the option that says Show All Brokers and click on it. This will display the full list of available broker integrations instead of just the most popular or recently used ones. Now that you're seeing all the brokers, use the search bar or scroll through the list to look for RoboMarkets. Typing the name is usually the fastest way, especially if there are a lot of options. Make sure you select the correct RoboMarkets entry, as it needs to match the broker you actually have an account with. Once you've found RoboMarkets in the list, click on it. You should see a button or prompt to connect. Go ahead and click Connect or the equivalent option. At this point, Tradingview will either open a login window or redirect you to the broker's login page. Here you'll need to enter your RoboMarkets account credentials. Double check that you're on the official broker login page and that the connection is secure before signing in. After you successfully log in and confirm the connection, Tradingview will link your RoboMarkets account to the trading panel. You should see RoboMarkets listed as your active broker, and from here you'll be able to place orders, manage positions, and monitor your account directly from the chart interface. If anything doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or reopening the trading panel. And that's all you need to do to connect RoboMarkets in Tradingview.